Hello, everyone. Picture this. You are on a first date. The person across from you is gorgeous. The vibe is perfect. And then they ask you a question in English. And suddenly, your brain decides to take a coffee break. You panic, you nod, you say, yes, even though they just asked, what's your favorite movie? But don't worry, I've got your back. In this video, you'll practice real-life dating conversations in English with me and my very charming date. And here's how it works. I'll say a phrase, you repeat after me, and by the end of this video, you'll sound smooth, confident, and ready for a real date without awkward silences or nervous giggles. But why are we repeating these phrases instead of just listening? I hear you ask. Simple. Because your brain learns best when you speak actively, not just passively absorb words like a sponge. Think of it this way. If you wanted to get fit, would you watch workout videos without actually exercising? No. It's the same with English. Repeating out loud helps you to train your pronunciation so you sound clear and confident, improve your fluency so words come out naturally without overthinking, and boost your memory because saying things out loud makes them stick. All right, deep breath, get your best date voice ready, and let's do it.
Hey, you must be Anna. It's great to finally meet you in person.
Hi, James. Yes, finally. I feel like we already know each other from our chats.
Yeah, it's nice when the person actually looks like their photos.
Right? No catfishing here.
Hi there. What can I get you both?
I'll have a latte, please.
Same for me. Oh, and maybe a slice of carrot cake?
Great choice. I'll be right back.
So, tell me, how do you like London so far?
I love it. The city has such great energy. And the coffee shops are amazing, like this one.
Yeah, this place has the best coffee. And it's not too loud, so we can actually hear each other.
Exactly. So what do you do for work again?
I'm a software developer. I basically sit in front of a screen all day drinking coffee and talking to computers.
Sounds thrilling.
Oh, absolutely. Sometimes the computer even listens to me, and other times it crashes just to keep things exciting.
Wow, a love-hate relationship with technology. So, you're the guy who makes all those apps that track my screen time and guilt trip me about how long I spend on Instagram?
Exactly, but I promise I'm not spying on your cat videos.
Phew, that would be embarrassing. I, on the other hand, do something much cooler. I'm a marketing manager.
Ooh, fancy. So you're the reason I see ads for sneakers right after I think about buying new ones?
Guilty, my job is to make you want things you never knew you needed. Like avocado-shaped phone cases.
Wait, are you telling me I do need one?
Absolutely. You can't call yourself a true millennial without one.
Okay, I'll take two. One for my phone and one for my laptop. It deserves some love too.
See, I'm already doing my job. So tell me, what's one fun fact about you?
Hmm. Then let me think. I once accidentally entered a marathon. Thought I was signing up for a 5K charity run?
No way, did you finish?
Miraculously, yes, but my legs hated me for a week.
That's impressive. Or maybe just slightly crazy.
A little of both, probably.
What do you do for fun?
Well, I'm really into cooking. Nothing fancy. Just trying out new recipes and experimenting with different ingredients.
Ooh, I love cooking too. Have you ever tried making homemade pizza? It's a whole new level of fun.
Definitely. But I always end up with more toppings on the floor than on the pizza. It's like a pizza art project.
I get that. I'm usually the same way, but it's all about having fun in the kitchen, right?
Exactly. Cooking should never be a competition, unless it's who can make the messiest kitchen.
That's my kind of competition.
And how about you?
Well, I'm a big fan of hiking. There's something about getting out into nature that just clears my mind.
I totally agree. I'm more of a Sunday stroll kind of person, but I'll take a good hike when I'm in the mood.
Hey, a Sunday stroll sounds pretty ideal too, especially if it ends with a cup of coffee.
Absolutely, a stroll and a coffee is the perfect combo. Maybe we should do it together sometime?
Here is your bill, sir.
I've got this.
Are you sure?
Totally. Next time, you can buy me a coffee.
Deal.
I had a great time today.
Me too. Let's take that stroll soon.
All right, now we've got the inside scoop on some essential dating questions and answers. But remember, the magic happens when you repeat these lines and make them your own. Just like practicing for a first date, the more you rehearse, the smoother you'll sound when it counts. And don't forget, the repetition technique is like your secret weapon in becoming an English-speaking superstar. It helps you get comfortable with the words, making them stick in your memory. So say it with confidence and make each line yours. And if you want to sound like a boss in business, you've got to check out my 25 idioms from Suits video. It's packed with business English that'll have you talking like you've just closed $1 million deal. And for the everyday stuff, because who wants to be awkward at the coffee shop? Check out my 50 most common phrasal verbs video. It's all about sounding natural in real-world conversations. And hey, drop a comment below, let me know which line made you feel like a dating pro, or share any hilarious date stories. See you in the next video. Bye.